Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the largest DFI booth at Embedded World we have ever hosted. My name is Charlie Yan, the Sales VP at DFI. I've been with DFI since 2011, starting as EU, the sales manager, adding to my experience with previous company. Attending Embedded World, this makes almost my 15th participation in the show. So you might guess my age and why I'm here introducing our booth. DFI is deeply rooted in industrial hardware, with over 1,000 employees globally. A third of them are engineers. So we are research and engineering-driven company that also boosts our own manufacturing facility. So you might wonder, why not outsource design and manufacturing to cut the cost? The answer is very straightforward. It's all about quality. In our industry, quality is the top priority. Can you imagine the loss if the core computing engine failed? After this brief company overview, the highlight of our time here is to demonstrate that seeing is truly believing. Let's dive into what DFI has to offer at 2024 Embedded World Booth. Let's showcase DFI EV charging station. It comes with the DFI Intel motherboard inside with a multi-operating Ubuntu system. So that will make your edge computing be more offline solution to your customer. On this wall, we are demonstrating our board level product. As you can see, we have an industrial motherboard with all different form factor, and also we have a small form factor board like this, and also system on module to meet all your requirements. Other than board level product, DFI this time also showcasing our system. As you can see, this fanless system, it comes with the x86 and also JSON inside. This is a very unique one. You must come here. Welcome to DFI AGV section. DFI providing an ARM solution and also x86 solution. One is from Qualcomm, another from Intel. Welcome DFI the Windows on ARM solution. The best feature is we can provide the low power consumption for your battery. At the same time, DFI already provide you a very strong software support. Okay, that's wrap up our booth tour for today. I hope you have a better understanding of DFI. If you cannot visit us in person, our virtual booth just one click away at dfi.com. Hope to see you soon.